28th, 2025, an officer was in the process of serving a capital murder warrant on a suspect in Harris County, Texas. While conducting a felony stop, the defendant, who was identified by his Texas ID card, pulled up on the officer's perimeter, got out of their motor vehicle, and began walking to the residence where the murder suspect was. The officer's supervisor ordered the defendant to stop and stay right there. The defendant refused and continued to ignore officers while walking towards the residence. The officer's supervisor ordered the defendant to step back multiple times and then grabbed the defendant and took him to the ground.
Him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was he the capital murder suspect?
No, Your Honor.
I live there.
Stop. Oh, sorry.
I believe that they were in the process of serving a warrant on someone else at the residence, and that's when they came in contact with the defendant.
Okay.
Ordered him to stop. He refused to stop going towards the residence, Your Honor.
They served the warrant. What ended up happening?
Looks like after refusing commands, there was a brief struggle where he was detained.
Was the murder suspect there?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. It does not say. I have no further facts that show if the warrant was complete on the warrant or not, Your Honor, or completed at the time. I just believe they were in the process and believed him to be at the residence. And that's when this incident.
In this case, an individual was prosecuted for interference with the duties of a public servant. The incident began when the police were executing a capital murder warrant and had secured the surrounding area. The defendant entered the secured perimeter, got out of his vehicle, and ignored several clear commands from officers to stop and step back. This failure to comply with lawful police orders led officers to detain him. The judge determined that there was sufficient evidence to establish interference with an officer's duties and warned the defendant that entering an active police operation or arguing with officers will always work against him. Anyone who enters an active police operation or disregards clear commands from law enforcement even without criminal intent can be arrested and prosecuted for interference with a public servant.